Welcome to RealDigiAds. My name is Paul Schlanger and I'm the CEO and co-founder, and I'm also a realtor. In this video, you'll learn how to better manage campaigns by viewing campaign reports and looking at key performance indicators that show results from your campaigns. On June 3rd, I created a new campaign by city focusing on selling condos on the ocean in Boca Raton for my real estate business. I later created a video showing exactly how I built that campaign and another video showing how I utilized site link extensions to sell single-family homes from within the same campaign to maximize conversions and increase my potential return on ad spend. I'd like to show you the results. Go to Reports and click on Campaigns. We started this on June 3rd. And let's run this for the month of June. This is a drop down that you can't see, and I'm selecting the name of the campaign. It's by city, and the status is active. These are the results from the month of June, our first month. We spent $388.18, which was well below our budget, received 45 conversions, at a cost of $8.63 per conversion, and our overall conversion rate was 11.17%. Our average cost per click was 96 cents, which is unheard of. If you know of anyone that does lead generation with Google Ads, ask them what their cost per click is. The longer you advertise, the better your results should be. Let's look at this day by day. We submitted the campaign on the 3rd of June. That's why there isn't any activity. Google Ads wasn't very busy because they approved our ad the next day. So on the 4th of June, the campaign started running. We received 116 impressions, 8 clicks. Our click-through rate was 6.9%. Our average cost per click was $1.92. And our cost for that day was $15.33. We did not receive any conversions. The next day, you can see how everything improved, except the cost per click went down, still did not receive any conversions. By the third day of running this campaign, which is June 6th, we received 5 conversions at a cost of $4.46 per conversion, and our conversion rate was 20%. Average cost per click was 89 cents. Click-through rate went up to 13.66%. And as you can see, conversions every day after that. Here are the conversion rates. Let's go to the next page. Oh, we did not get a conversion on the 15th. And did not receive a conversion on the 20th. Let's look at July. Remember these numbers. As you can see, a drastic improvement. 61 conversions. Our cost per conversion went down to $7.74. Our overall conversion rate went up to 13.12%. Our cost per click went up a little bit to $1.01. Still negligible. Look at these conversion rates. This is what you want to look at, and your cost per conversion and the number of conversions. These are all the indicators that you need to watch as you're running your campaigns so you can tweak things to improve. Hope you enjoyed the video.